I'm dying.
Did you set me up?
Hello? That was the weirdest hello I've ever what? Anyways, hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. With like all of the love in my heart, welcome to my channel. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, after this one, go back and watch the other ones. Today we're going to the beach. We're gonna do a little family beach day. We decided yesterday, we set a time and I'm really proud of us. So hopefully we execute. A little nervous about the weather. If you watched the last vlog, you know we went to the beach and it was sunny over here by the house and then very cloudy at the beach and 68 degrees. That's not happening again. So today I was a little nervous when there was like a little bit of clouds in the sky. The sun isn't beaming, but I'm just hoping that it's sunny at the beach. Chrissy's on her way here and we decided we're gonna do like a little picnic basket. We're gonna get everything. We got the speaker. Oh, look at my nails. But yeah, so we're gonna do all of that and just have fun. So you can watch it, you can't, whatever you wanna do. I actually have to be figuring out what I'm wearing and then cook something for breakfast because I'm starving. You guys, say hi to Monty. He is my money tree. And look how cute. Look, he has little sprouts. It's my great-grandchildren, I know. Honestly, this is my beach fit. I don't know how I feel about these shorts. They just look like, I don't know. They look cute from the side, I guess. If I go like this, but I don't know. They're not bad. I'm gonna wear them. I don't have anything else. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this over the top. And then I'll bring like a little skirt so I can take pictures. But this is what I'm wearing. Because the beach is just a bunch of sand. Just gonna keep these shorts on. This little thing, this is super loose. So if it's hot, I'm fine. If it's like cold, I'll also be fine. I'm also bringing the top for, these have matching shirts. No, this has a matching like shirt to it. So I'm gonna wear that as well. Now let's go downstairs and get some bread. All right, I'm actually about to make some biscuits and stuff. Don't look at our snacks. We're not here eating Doritos and hot Cheetos. That's bad for you. So fun fact, I don't like to smell like food. So I would change my clothes and then cook the bacon and then change back into my clothes because I cannot. Let's talk about the freaking monkeypox. I'm freaking out because Nisi sent that thing. We're eating breakfast. Whoa. Yo, Maxie's out. Hi, Maxie. Maxie, don't act brand new. Hi, Maxie boy.
I don't have no treat for you.
We'll bring you a treat in 2 seconds.
Hello. Cutie queen.
So cute.
Yo, a freaking world market snatch. A world market steal. Look at you.
You like? What do you think?
Chrissy, look at your stomach.
No, I see. I look at this pants.
I know y'all are shook.
Are you seeing the lines?
So it's basically 6 p.m. and we're leaving to go to the beach. But actually, the sun just came out.
Right.
So, look. We have a picnic basket. It's gonna be so fun. Billy, bring a treat for King. For me to give to King.
Ah, are you so handsome?
Billy, I'm dying.
Did you set me up?
Why did you put so much on? I said just use a little bit. And you really have to rub it in. And I have some on right now.
Look at, I look like the joke of the town, Nikki. Look at me.
And it's a beach.
I've been
This is pretty.
You're
so pretty. So, we just parked and we are about to walk across to the beach. Yay! Are we gonna be eating in the water?
Wow.
is so cute.
Like, if you want to do a job, just do it. I hate that shit.
My arm almost caught a freaking cramp. Bata na Christy.
Yeah, cut. That's too much.
How much of us is wanting to?
We're on the beach.
Literally.
This is the first time we're at the beach together.
Oh my god, yes!
So the water's basically
Like,
taken
tide is
over.
high.
Tide is high, and we're holding on. Look how beautiful.
So cute.
So my phone died. Go figure. Junior's phone is amazing. Are you kidding me? We just got taking some pics. Everybody looks like mermaids and mermen. Whoa. Everybody pose. Back at the house. We had the best day ever. Yeah, so now I'm making a cake.
Yeah.
And a cake with blue space vanilla funfetti cake. Icing.
Who's the genius that got that?
Here you are.
Lance Stroll puts himself just above his first sector. Vettel's in the bottom five. Ocon